Hi everyone, this is Scott Leroy coming in from the weekly tip, and today's tip is all around the done-for-you marketing collateral and also just free marketing collateral that's available as being part of our virtual tech services. So I know marketing is a massive item that a lot of agents are looking for help with, so I want to show you anything and everything that's accessible on our site as of right now. Now we're currently about to add on even more, so come back very soon because inevitably this is going to update. But as of today, all right, as of March 24th, 2026, this is what is accessible on here. So if you sign into the scottleroymarketing.com website with your Market Center number, all right, then once you view this agent resources section, now you're going to see our marketing support down here. And there's going to be a good amount of items that you can utilize, whether it's our agent concierge section, it's done for you listing marketing collateral. We have curated a bunch of prompts for Gemini Pro, ChatGPT, Claude, whatever you might be utilizing. We have a monthly blog option, and that blog content will come directly from our newsletter. So if you want us to send out a newsletter and also post it as a blog on your command site, we can do that. We also have monthly social content, which is relatively new. It just launched for April 2026. And then, of course, all of our templates on here as well, too. All right, so starting with the Gemini Pro, or as it used to be called, Gemini Advanced, ChatGPT prompts, this will show you how you can access this with your KW.com email. So if you want to utilize Gemini directly, this will be a great opportunity. But then it'll also have on here quick tips for asking questions. So if you want to get the most out of everything that you're trying to accomplish through Gemini and through ChatGPT, this will help out tremendously. Along with additional prompts on here. So we have 200 plus prompts just to help you out even further. This is meant to give you some ideas of a starting point to get those creative juices flowing on here. So it's not meant to be just put in one prompt and you're good to go, but something to kind of get started, to put in and then tweak as you go through. All right, now we do have that monthly blog request. So once again, you can actually come through here and request this from us. This will allow us to go through and grab all the information that we'll need, and this is going to get pulled directly from that monthly newsletter smart plan on here. So once again, this is meant for us to be able to go through and get that smart plan started on the monthly newsletter side. And to give you an idea of what this newsletter will look like and what the blog content will look like as well too, I'm going to pull up this one on here, but you can request for us to send it out to specific tags. We can send it out to all contacts. If you want to send it out on your own because you want to make some adjustments, you're definitely more than welcome to. All right, but here's an example of what the March one looks like. So it'll have a quick little introduction on here. It'll typically have a section around buyer and seller tips for the month, right? Obviously highlighting items that are occurring during that particular month, depending on the time of the year. This month we had a section on home maintenance ideas for spring. We had a section on March local activities. All right, then we even had a section on spring break ideas. And I always love highlighting the local activities when they're on here. This is, in my opinion, one of the best things for the agent to go through and update on your own, so that way you can highlight specific local things going on when you send this out. Or if you just want us to send it out as is, that's no problem. And then, of course, ending in those final thoughts on here, the call to action, to kind of highlight this even more. So just a reminder, that is all accessible, and we're doing that every month. Speaking of monthly, this is relatively new. We have our April social content that is coming out. It's available right now. This is where you can actually view all the copy of what you can literally copy and paste to post out over on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on X, wherever you'd like to, along with the collateral that can be utilized as well too. So we have all the pieces already created on here. And these are meant to be just general pieces to keep you once again top of mind. It's not going to be anything that is too date oriented. I believe there's only 2 items on here that'll talk about tax day over here in North America, and then obviously some things about the middle of the month as well too. But you don't have to utilize all 30 of these if you don't want to. You can literally go through and use specific ones that you prefer. And by clicking Edit Template on here, you can then also go through and tweak this as well. So if you want to change anything out, you're more than welcome to. But this will all be ready for you in case you want to use it as is. All right, then of course we also have to have all of our templates. So if you want to view any of the templates that we've curated on here, obviously I know there are countless templates that are available, whether it's through Canva, whether it's KW specific ones that have been created, or other ones that you've done as well too. But if you want to view any of these extra ones just to get some creative juices flowing, please feel free on here. This will give you access to all those different templates that we've made. And once again, similar to our social content, when you click on this Use in Canva option, it'll then allow you to go through, click Edit Template, and you'll have access to all those templates to use immediately too. All right. But if you are looking for some items to get done, we also have our Agent Concierge section. And on here, this is free done-for-you marketing collateral. You can go through and fill out this short form, and this will allow us to make listing marketing pieces for you. So on here, you can specify if it's been your first time filling this out, so we'll ask a couple extra questions. If not, great, we'll have that information on file. What's your market center number on here? What is this for yourself or is it for someone else? And then what is your name as well? So that way we can grab this info for you. And then what pieces would you like to view? So maybe most popular, or sorry, all available designs. Maybe I just need a social post today. And then what piece would you like? And once you select that template and give us the property address, we'll have a couple extra items on here, obviously, like the listing status, your email address, any comments you might have. But once this is all completed and sent off to us, we're then going to send back over that piece completed with your information, with the office info, with the listing info, ready to go for you, along with step-by-step instructions on how you can take this piece, post it out over on social, or convert it to a smart plan and email that out as well too. All right. Now, once again, the best part about this is everything under that agent resources section is completely complimentary if your office is utilizing our virtual tech services. And that includes all the marketing support on here. So please feel free to take advantage of all these items right away. All right, so hopefully that was a little bit informational for you to get an idea of all the extra items you can use immediately as a Keller Williams agent. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time and let us know how we can help out. But I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I look forward to working with you soon.